Note-taking is an important skill for successful study. Today, I am going to introduce some effective skills for taking notes. Before making these suggestions, I'd like to analyze some factors that can affect note-taking. Of course, the first one is your vocabulary. An instructor cannot spell all words in a class. So it is necessary to master a massive vocabulary for students, especially for non-native students of the English language. Good psychology is also important for note-taking. Some students are very nervous in class and cannot follow the instructor in time, although they have a good ability to take notes. Well, what skills can help you improve the ability and speed of note-taking? Let's begin with the first one of 5 steps. As usual, students can get course handouts in advance, so preparing for them will help you know about what the instructor will talk about in a class in advance to help with your note-taking. A good suggestion is to use a loose leaf binder for notes, and the instructor's handout may be taken out of it. Separating notebooks for each class can help students think clearly about different class notes. Now that's the work for preparation. The second step is to put a date and title on the first page. This will help you make sure about the lecture topic and the class in which the instruction happens. Some students think this is very important for your studies later. And then I advise you to use a divider, which can set aside different parts in one notebook. For example, drawing a line in the middle of the notebook and then write the main points on the left with some extra information on the right. According to some students' experiences, it is a good idea to use different color ballpoint pens to make different marks of the lecture in class. And now for the third step. In class, a good note-taker should only write key points, not all the information. Some students cannot know what they write on a notebook after class. So how to master the key points is what's so important. These points are usually nouns, adjectives, verbs, and numbers. Writing only 1 to 2 points on each line can help you to understand the notes when you read them later. The most difficult part for nearly all students is, of course, to have enough time to write the notes. So the next step is coming. In order to save time and speed up writing, I advise you to use abbreviation and symbols instead of words, such as info for information, univ for university, dept for department, and even use a plus sign instead of an and. When your instructor speaks loudly or repeats some content or has a short pause, you should pay attention to the important points. The last suggestion is that you should review your notes after class when the information is still fresh in your mind. Try to summarize the key points and check notes with your classmates after class. That's some of the easy methods you can use to take notes. I hope that this can help you with your note-taking in class. If you want to know more about the topic, please contact the study consultant in